like and subscribe for more awesome meme source content. Jeff Bezos. Marcus Licinius Crassus. Richest man of his time. Made money exploiting an essential service. Died getting melted gold poured down his throat. How Americans see Mount Rushmore. How Canadians see Mount Rushmore. Which of these days is part of the weekend in Germany? Donnerstag, Mittwoch, Sonntag, Dienstag. Millionaire player calls wife for phone a friend and another man answers phone. That's a lot of damage. When you push the vacuum cleaner over a spot of dirt and you hear that crackle. The parents after their kid doesn't wanna stop playing on that slide. Listen here, you little turd. Tensions are high in the produce section as no one dares to lick their fingers. No one. The US military when a boy turns 18. Hi kids, do you like violence? Non-binary people whenever they see the numbers 0 or 1. European cars in anime. European cars in America. European cars in Europe. DreamWorks dragons. Disney's dragons. Stop taking everything literally or draw 25. Time traveler. What's going on? Egyptian. We are looking for water cause the whole Nile's turned into blood. Time traveler. Oh, the 10 plagues have started? Egyptian. The what? My 8-year-old brother explaining why Charmander is the best starter Pokémon because he looks like a dragon. 20-year-old me who really liked the green onion Pokémon. Oprah. Harry, do you feel dominated by your wife? No, he doesn't. What I saw before laser eye surgery. What I saw after laser eye surgery. Germ enters my body. My immune system. Welcome. Pollen enters my body. My immune system. You're going to die. Anime intros. Anime outros. Cats were worshipped by the Egyptians for their beauty and intelligence. Cat owners nowadays. Only dumb a-holes get in this box. How the world imagines American babies crying. How American babies really cry. Grandma browsing Facebook. The Elder Scrolls Online. Dad telling me not to shake the chair when he's changing the light bulb. Mom, why are you excited and hyped? Me. Professor, your assignment was on great military leaders throughout history. Me. Yes. Professor, then who is Grand Admiral Thrawn? Money can't buy happiness. But it can buy dogs. Flat Earther, I did my own experiment to prove that the earth is flat. The experiment. When your parents ruin your day then act like they didn't ruin your day and ask why you're in a bad mood. Pixar animators when they make Cars 4. Me starting to code again after a 6-month break. I don't know what I'm doing. Emailing teachers be like. Me. Polite greeting. Multiple paragraphs. Perfect grammar. Teacher. Sure. Sent from my iPhone. Germans when they can't go to 160 on the autobahn because they stuck behind a slow car. The pizza must have been huge. That's the evilest thing I can imagine. Cats in anime. Cats in Reddit. Cats in real life. When you grow up and realize America isn't the flawless haven the adults in your hick town led you to believe it was. Holy fork. We're in the bad place. Cute girl starts to flirt with me. My brain. Shutting down. People that pee while taking a shower. People that pee while taking a bath. Teacher, what's acid plus base? Me, neutralization reaction. Teacher, then why did you write a good party? When you download an old game you used to play and all your progress is saved. I'm still worthy. My cat know how it feels to chew 5 gum. I was in marketing for 40 years and thought the perfect packaging didn't exist. Highest level of friend zone achieved. Me at 1 AM setting my 6 AM alarm. French girlfriend, treat me like a queen. Me, a history nerd. Shame. Guys, I'm going to try my best. But it's a freaking radioactive dinosaur. When you jokingly say Hail Hydra to the quiet kid and he starts telling you about the next mission. Nobody. COVID-19. Around the world in 80 days. Literally not a single soul on God's green earth. My family when my online classes are going on. The sound of 2008 people drumming to the same beat. My big toe after putting on a ripped sock. You can't just stretch out a one-dimensional image and expect people to get it. Me. My dad saying he needs to go drop a bomb. Me seeing the emergency alert system go on suddenly on the TV. Join the meme source Discord server.